Hello everyone, this is Zach from BSA. So today this short video here, we want to go through discounted MYEG. Seems like at the moment MYEG is still holding well, okay, despite KRSC having some sort like a bearish trend overall, okay, for the especially this week. By the time I'm doing this video here, today is 18th of December, okay, around 11th a.m. Okay, so we will look into the overall setups, okay, for our weekly chart. Then we're going to zoom into the daily chart. Okay, so previously we had a big gap. This is of course back to 2018. So this is the area that actually served a very big resistance, but I think it's getting a little bit of improvements. Okay, at least these previous few resistance over here have been break, okay, here, and it's actually supported very well. This is like a previously a wash, okay, followed by a support and an LC again. But in the same time, here again it formed a temporary resistance, okay, so that's why the daily chart seems like testing out this area for several times. So we got 2 UT plus the recent one, okay, which is last month. Okay, so luckily volume is not that high. So, but chances for them to, maybe to make a pullback a little bit before they retry higher is pretty high as well. But overall, long term wise, I can say they are actually building a accumulation with a nice shakeout at the bottom. Okay, but looking into this daily chart over here, okay, a few things that we can actually realize is that the price actually currently is still holding on 2040s. Okay, and of course, last week we have a very nice spring. Okay, and of course, with the help of the NS2, it actually served as pretty good support. Okay, so let me just go into zoom in over here. We got a very nice NS. Okay, just draw the line around the NS area. Then around the NS area as well, we can see there's few sound strength. So if you're looking for like a short-term kind of trades, you can actually try to use the NS area or maybe the 40 MA area because it's very close to sound strength as your maybe support or maybe stop loss. Okay, or if you want to look for momentum, probably you want to wait for another green Pentagon. Okay, of course the red Pentagon return, okay, from this green Pentagon over here. But if you realize, I think the other day we have go through on the well building cost. Okay, you can actually apply the same method. If there's no subsequent follow through from the red Pentagon, actually I think it's still worth to monitor. Okay, now again, what it means by a follow through. Okay, if you look into the previous red Pentagon over here, so it seems like the price don't really close below, okay, from the red Pentagon. So this is the so this is what I mean. Okay, it's still worth to for you to monitor. Okay, again, red Pentagon is a sell weakness, and sell weakness need to come with confirmation. In this case over here, this red Pentagon doesn't show any confirmation yet. Okay, so let's see how it goes. For those that who want to wait for a bear confirmation, you can always wait for the green Pentagon in daily chart. For those that who have learned pullback, probably you want to use the SP above the 2040s. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this video, and if let's say there's any changes in terms of MYEG, we will give an update soon.